Find the coordinates of the stationary points on the curve y equals x cubed minus 3x plus 5 and investigate their nature using a sign test. So if we have y is x cubed minus 3x plus 5, then dy dx is 3x squared minus 3. And if we want 3x squared minus 3 to be equal to 0, that gives me 3x squared equals 3, x squared equals 1, x is positive or negative 1. If x is 1, this is 1 take away 3 plus 5. 6 take away 3 is 3. So 1, 3. And if it's negative 1, then we have negative 1 plus 3 plus 5, which is 7. So negative 1, 7. So let's look first of all at negative 1, 7 using a sign test. So we have x. Now we know the stationary point itself is at negative 1. There are no stationary points to the left. We can just choose negative 2. When we go to the right, we just have to make sure that we don't go past the other stationary point. So using 0 would be fine here because it doesn't go past 1. And then we'll have dy dx, which remember is this expression here, which we know is 0 at this point. If we go for negative 2, this will be 3 times 4 take away 3, and that is positive. And if we go for 0, it's going to be 0 take away 3, which is negative. So we go positive, 0, negative. That is a maximum. So we have a maximum at negative 1, 7. Now let's do the same thing at the other point, which is at 1. We can use 0, and we could use 2. So we know dy dx is 0 there, and 0 from before, we know that's negative. If we substitute 2 in here, we get 3 times 4 take away 3. That is positive. So it's going down, across, up, and that is a minimum. So we have a minimum at 1, 3.